I look good?
You look great.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you see me,
Just
Ryan? I did. Yeah.
walk down the hall and turn right. Go.
Okay.
Take 3.
Oh, we got the sweet pea. Okay, that's it. I'm good. I'm good. What are we doing here again exactly?
Walking.
Yeah, but
Not
why?
difficult. Does it really matter? Just
What's my motivation?
Alright, what do you normally do with your arms? Like when you walk?
I just go like that. I swing.
Can you not walk in a straight line? Are you always like drunk?
Okay. You want me to just walk in these tiles and then
Yeah.
make a right turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would take a tile over.
No, they don't look good if you're walking on. Yeah, actually do that. Okay, go walk.
Okay.